So when you reflect upon this, I know this is a lot to reflect, and it will take time to go into deeper contemplation, so you can take this chart home and slowly fill in the blanks. But when we truly reflect on this, and when we see clearly, if we have only 24 hours to live, we will have a very determined, clear idea of what we want to do for these next 24 hours. And we will have a clear determination about what we want to stop or what we want to continue. And not only that, we can see clearly that we can actually stop. We can actually put this change in effect right now. What we want to stop is something what we see as negative, not beneficial for both oneself and others, not necessary, not meaningful. And we can see that we can do it right now. We can stop it. We can change it if we have only 24 hours to live. And not only that, we can see what we want to continue. Bring to full fruition of some of the actions that we see as meaningful, beneficial, and positive. So here, through this reflection, we can see our capabilities, our strength, our power, and wisdom, that we can put it in action. So now, with your contemplation and projections about death completed, let us now discuss this topic a little further. What is really important here is for you to have your own definition of death. Have you all written that first contemplation down? First answer? And that's important for us here. Could it be true that because we don't know how to live fully or live well, therefore we are afraid to die? Can this be the reason why we don't know how to die well? We should reflect on that. According to the spiritual insight of Buddhist teachings, in order to die well, we must live well. Only then can dying well can be accomplished, when we know how to live well. That's the Buddhist approach. For that reason, when Buddhist teachings discusses about what we call intermediate states or bardos, it begins with the first intermediate state, which is called the bardo of this life, intermediate state of this life, which is talking about living well. So when we can accomplish that, when we can live well in this intermediate state of this life, only then the intermediate state of death can become meaningful, beneficial. And so, to transform or end the fear of death, we must come into contact with death, isn't it? Rather than denying it. We must connect with death through genuine reflection, with a calm and clear mind, but not just with the image of death that our thought has created on the basis of some rumors. We must actually see or feel that state nakedly. The basic fear of death is coming from our thought, creating some projections, ideas, or conclusion about what is death or what is dying.